Here's how to apply for gov.uk. First, open a web browser on your phone or computer and visit the official gov.uk website. Once you're there, use the search bar to find the service you need. You can search for things such as a visa, benefits, passport, driving license, universal credit, or other government services and support. Select the correct result from the search results. Once you're on the relevant page, scroll down and select Start Now to begin your application. If the service asks you to sign in, you may need to create or use a gov.uk One login account. Enter your email address and create a secure password. When gov.uk sends a verification code to your email, enter that code to confirm your email address. After signing in, complete the application by providing the requested personal information. Depending on the service, you may also need to upload supporting documents. After submission, gov.uk will usually display a confirmation page, and depending on the service, you may also receive confirmation or further instructions by email. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.